This is another outstanding Range Rover Sport SVR. We had, at the start of this week, we had 4 of these cars up for sale. They've all sold, and this one's just arrived today. 2070, 4,000 miles, Estoril blue, but it's all about the added extras. So this car has got heads-up display. It's got a full carbon fibre interior package. It's got a carbon fibre bonnet decal, which just transforms the look of the car. But it's then got this is a carbon bonnet, but it's got the decal just to transform so it looks exposed. Factory black pack, it's got a contrasting black roof, and it's got the performance black and ivory interior. So it's just got all the things you would want. And I give it a little rev to start because that's why it sounds, look at these sweeping lights. This car's just gone 6 months old. It's £98,990. We are selling these cars, anything 6 months, newish, high spec SVRs, less than 100,000, we just sell them. 22-inch wheels, you've got the contrasting red calipers, you've got the black inserts on the wings, on the bonnet, and like I said, you've got that beautiful contrasting black roof. The interior, when I show you inside, is just beautiful. And then moving around the back, we've got that big twin sports exhaust, these lovely LED lights, black badging, just a great looking SVR. It's all keyless. There's one other extra watch I've just remembered. It's also got heads-up display again, great feature. Let me show you the carbon. So this is a great feature. So carbon fibre interior package. So we've got the carbon fibre on the doors, the dash, steering wheel, and also the centre console as well. You can see you've got the ambient lighting running throughout the car, and you've got that beautiful two-tone interior. It doesn't stop there. So these seats, memory seats, they're heated, but from factory they've paid for cooled seats as well. So let me just give you a quick rundown on how they work. So if we go into our seats, you can see you've got heated, and then if it hasn't got cooled, it stops there. Whereas you see, if you turn it, it's got the cooled seats as well. Another great extra, heads-up display. So you've got your speedo, as you can see, projected onto there. The car's done 4,262 miles. It's got the carbon, it's got the right interior. You get an Alcantara roof lining, and you've got obviously a sliding panoramic sunroof, heated steering wheel, all the things you want for performance and looks. You've got a fridge. So it's got great spec, because SVRs as standard come with great spec, but then someone's paid for the carbon fibre inside, they've paid for the heads-up display, they've paid for the cooled seats. There you can see the centre console in the back is carbon. You've got that on the door cards as well. And the car, as you would expect, is absolutely beautiful condition-wise. Electric tailgate, great boot space, and I've said it before, SVRs, for me, for this price range, I don't think you can get a better car for performance, for looks, and practicality as well, because I don't think there's a better car to drive. 575 horsepower, pure power, but you've got all the space, so you can have it as a family car if needed. Great spec, beautiful colour, beautiful interior. Hitting the website now, what a car.